Think these gadgets came straight out of a sci-fi movie? These viral Amazon finds look too wild to be real, but they're 100% buyable. From futuristic tech to quirky everyday tools, they're everything you didn't know you needed. All the links are in the description below. Meet the sofa that turns your room into a jungle adventure. This giant gorilla seat wraps you in plush comfort and can support up to 662 pounds, making it perfect for teens and adults who want something fun and unforgettable. Its bold colors and King Kong-inspired shape make everyone gasp the moment they walk in. The oversized body gives you plenty of space to stretch out for gaming, movies, or just hanging out with friends. Ran out of AA batteries? No problem. These clever adapters instantly turn any AAA battery into an AA, saving you from last-minute store runs. Just pop a AAA inside, and the metal contacts ensure perfect connection and reliable power every time. Made from tough, flexible material, they're built to last. Keep a few around for remotes, toys, or flashlights. You'll never be caught without power again. Who says workouts have to be boring? This music boxing machine turns every punch into a rhythm-packed challenge that keeps your energy high. With multiple speed modes, glowing LED lights, and Bluetooth sound, it transforms your training into a fun game. You can stream your favorite tracks and track every hit through the built-in counter for instant feedback. Easy to mount and compact in size, it's perfect for beginners and pros who want to stay fit without stepping into the gym. Slide your feet into pure comfort with these plush car-shaped slippers. Soft, squishy, and irresistibly cozy, they turn every step into a joyride around the house. Made from ultra-soft polyester with a cushioned foam sole, they're built for all-day lounging and relaxation. The fun, sporty design makes them a hit with anyone, kids, teens, or adults. Whether it's for yourself or a gift, these slippers are guaranteed to drive a smile onto anyone's face. Drying your pet just got a whole lot easier and calmer. This innovative pet dryer box creates a quiet spa-like experience for cats and small dogs, drying their fur evenly from every angle while keeping them relaxed inside. With smart temperature control, clean airflow, and whisper-quiet operation, it's gentle, efficient, and even doubles as a cozy pet bed when not in use. Perfect for stress-free grooming days. Fresh air meets modern style with this sleek ceiling fan and light combo. It's ultra-quiet, energy-efficient, and easily controlled by remote or app, so you can adjust brightness or speed without leaving the couch. Choose from warm to cool lighting and 6 different wind levels to match your mood. The reversible motor works year-round for comfort in any season. It's smart, stylish, and surprisingly easy to install. This isn't just a charger, it's a showpiece. Designed like a sleek miniature car, this 3-in-1 wireless station powers your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. The rotating MagSafe charger lets you watch videos or make calls hands-free while it juices up your device. A soft, ambient glow adds style to your desk, and built-in safety features keep everything cool, fast, and perfectly charged. Who said cooking can't be fun? Meet the crab that helps you strain pasta without the mess. This clever clip-on strainer grips your pot firmly, letting you drain water safely and easily, no bulky colanders needed. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and fits most pans like a pro. When you're done, it folds away neatly. Cute, practical, and guaranteed to make kitchen time way more entertaining. Folding laundry just got futuristic. This smart machine automatically folds and lightly irons your clothes in seconds, giving you neat, ready-to-wear results with zero effort. It detects fabric types on its own, adjusting for shirts, pants, or towels for the perfect finish every time. The compact modern design fits easily into any home. You just load, press start, and watch the Foldymate do the work for you. Running out of power mid-flight or during work? This high-capacity power bank keeps all your devices charged no matter where you are. With triple fast-charging ports, built-in retractable cables, and the ability to juice up multiple gadgets at once, it's a must-have for travelers and professionals. Compact yet powerful, it recharges quickly and is flight-approved, perfect for keeping your phone and laptop powered on the go. Turn your backyard into a mini resort with this inflatable sofa-style pool. Its unique design lets you lounge comfortably right in the water. Perfect for parties, family fun, or simply cooling off on a sunny day. It inflates easily, packs neatly when not in use, and adds instant summer vibes anywhere you set it up. Comfort and fun, all in one float-friendly setup. Who needs a bulky tape measure when this tiny laser tool does it all? Just point, tap, and get instant measurements up to 98 feet with amazing accuracy. The bright OLED screen gives you clear readings, and it recharges fast with USB-C. You can even switch between feet, inches, or meters in seconds. It's sleek, pocket-sized, and perfect for DIY projector a quick game of chase with your cat. If you love reading or watching shows in bed but hate the neck strain, these prism glasses are a total game changer. The angled lenses let you see straight ahead while lying flat, so you can stay comfy without propping up your head. They even fit over regular glasses and reduce eye fatigue, making them perfect for bedtime relaxation or hospital recovery. Step into the spotlight, literally. These light-up sneakers turn every move into a show with 7 vibrant colors and 4 flashing modes to match your mood. You can switch colors easily with a hidden button on the heel loop, lighting up your steps wherever you go. A quick USB charge gives you up to 8 hours of glowing fun. Made from breathable fiber optic fabric with a comfy cotton lining, they keep your feet cool, dry, and ready to dance all night. Light that floats? Absolutely! This levitating bulb lamp uses magnetic magic to suspend and spin gently in midair, glowing softly as it rotates 360 degrees. There are no wires, no batteries, just pure electromagnetic wonder. Tap the base to turn it on or off, and enjoy the calming light that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Perfect for your desk, bedside, or as a mesmerizing gift. Movie night just got a serious upgrade. This portable projector turns any wall or even your ceiling into a giant theater screen. With crisp 1080p clarity and rich Dolby sound, every scene feels alive. Its built-in gimbal lets you tilt and project from almost any angle. No tripod needed. Autofocus kicks in instantly, so you can just press play and enjoy the show anywhere you like. Tired of stumbling around in the dark? These motion sensor nightlights automatically switch on when you walk by, lighting your path with a soft, adjustable glow. You can dim them from a gentle night shimmer to full brightness depending on your needs. They turn off on their own when you leave, saving energy effortlessly. Compact and sleek, they blend into any room, perfect for hallways, bedrooms, or late-night kitchen trips. Ever wish your home could sense your every move? This smart motion sensor does exactly that. It detects movement instantly and can trigger lights, alarms, or other devices automatically. With adjustable sensitivity and a wide 170-degree view, it only reacts when you need it to. The best part? Its battery lasts up to 5 years, keeping your smart home running smoothly without constant maintenance. Let your windows think for themselves. These motorized blackout blinds open and close with just a tap or a voice command. They're made from durable, waterproof vinyl that blocks nearly all light while keeping out heat and noise. You can set schedules, group multiple blinds together, or control everything from your phone. The built-in battery lasts for months, giving you effortless privacy and comfort every day. Feeling the heat? Slip on this wearable neck fan and enjoy a cool breeze wherever you go. No hands needed. Its bladeless design pushes air evenly from 72 vents around your neck, giving you full 360-degree cooling comfort. Choose from 3 speeds for just the right airflow, all while staying whisper quiet. Lightweight, safe, and rechargeable. It's perfect for workouts, travel, or just relaxing at home. Light up every beat. This audio reactive party light transforms sound into vibrant color that moves with your music. Whether you're hosting indoors, on the beach, or in the rain, its rugged waterproof design can handle it all. You can sync multiple units together, match the vibe to your playlist, and control everything straight from your phone. Wherever you go, Lightbox brings the energy to life. No more muddy paw prints all over your floor. This automatic paw cleaner gently washes your dog's feet with soft silicone bristles that massage and scrub at the same time. Just fill it with water, insert a paw, and press one button. It does the rest. The rechargeable battery lasts for days, and the parts come apart easily for cleaning. It's quick, gentle, and perfect for everyday paw care. Bath time just got a serious upgrade. This lightweight pet dryer packs powerful airflow into a sleek, handheld design that makes grooming faster and easier anywhere home or travel. With adjustable heat settings and multiple nozzles, you can dry any coat type quickly without overheating your furry friend. It's quiet, ergonomic, and built for comfort, keeping pets calm while you handle the mess in record time. Pet hair on your couch? Gone in seconds. This reusable roller sweeps up dog and cat fur from furniture, carpets, and car seats without any sticky sheets or waste. Just roll it back and forth, and the built-in chamber traps every strand. When it's full, pop it open and empty it. Simple as that. Durable, easy to use, and endlessly reusable. It's every pet owner's secret weapon. Turn your phone photos into instant keepsakes. This pocket-sized printer connects wirelessly to your phone and prints your favorite shots in seconds, no ink required. Each print comes with a peel and stick back, so you can decorate notebooks, walls, or gifts with your memories. The colors pop with crisp detail, and the whole process feels like magic. Small, stylish, and ready to print wherever you. Tired of fishing around in pickle jars and getting your hands messy? This clever pickle grabber makes it effortless. Just clip it onto any jar and use the stainless steel fork to grab your pickles, olives, or veggies without the mess. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and surprisingly handy for picnics, charcuterie boards, or kitchen. Use a small tool that makes a big difference. Smoothies on the go just got easier. This portable blender lets you whip up shakes, juices, or protein blends anywhere. No outlet needed. Its powerful blades crush ice and frozen fruit fast, giving you silky results every time. Blend and sip right from the same leak-proof cup, then toss it in the dishwasher when you're done. Compact, cordless, and USB-C rechargeable. It's your new travel-friendly blender. Keys are officially old school. This NFC Wi-Fi smart lock lets you unlock your door with just a tap of your phone or even your voice through Alexa or Google. It locks automatically when you leave and unlocks as you approach, keeping security effortless. You can grant access to guests or check door activity right from your app. Sleek, waterproof, and built to last. It's the future of entry made simple. Who says powerful tech can't fit on your finger? This smart ring keeps you connected to your health in the most convenient way possible. Check your heart rate, steps, sleep, and even stress levels. No phone needed. With over 100 sport modes, it tracks everything from running to swimming while staying fully waterproof. Lightweight, stylish, and subscription-free, it's your all-day wellness coach packed into one tiny ring. Bring charm and function to your couch with this crochet cat sofa arm organizer. Handmade with a playful dog design, it's as cute as it is practical. 2 roomy pockets and a built-in mug holder keep remotes, snacks, and drinks close at hand. Soft yet durable, it can handle daily use without losing shape. Easy to slip over most sofas and chairs, it stays put while adding a cozy, organized touch. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.